Yes sir, what's good everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. Today we are here working on all these shoes that we have to get packaged up and ready to get shipped out. Boom, we got I think 15 or 16 orders. It's a Monday. It's not that much just because I haven't really been heavy, plus my employee hasn't came and took pictures of all the product. So it's been crazy, but I am going to start just videotaping what I do in a day, just because I personally stopped going out to buy inventory because I have so much. And it's crazy, bro. A lot of resellers don't have inventory right now, but I do have inventory all day, and I'm kind of running dry, but it is what it is. Let's get to it. Here are the 6 pairs of forces. That's all the sizes I got. I'm gonna shoot him a text, ask him if he just wants these or he wants more. I probably can give him more 9.5s and 10.5s. I do have a 10. Let me get that 10 real quick. Guys, I just want to show you guys this bundle of shoes I just bought yesterday. I wish I vlogged it, bro. Legit, honestly, I wish I did. It would have been easy content. But I paid $80 for these. I paid $160 for those. I had some stuff in my car, that's what I got onto it. But I paid like $4.25 for these, brand new, never worn. I'm probably gonna sell them for a cost, but I only bought them just to make the person who was selling me the whole lot of shoes happier and make the transaction easier. I paid kind of high on some stuff. Some stuff I got really good steals on, and then some stuff it was bread and butter, just quick, 40-50 bucks. That's what I love every day to get, but it doesn't hurt to get over 20 pairs in one day on a Sunday. But I just want to show you guys, like, I do get shoes all the time. Let's see what's in here. I got these for $75. To a lot of you guys, 75 is actually a steal, like, to a lot of you guys, but to me, I usually just pay like $50-$60. But for this shoe, it has the box and stuff. Clean up the bottoms real quick, probably charge like $110. Somebody gets a Jordan and is happy with, and it's a good size 11, so it really moves on eBay. You gotta understand the sizes. But yeah, let's take these boxes and take them to the post office. I'm waiting on a text about those shoes. I know this shit's messy, but bro, I don't know what to tell you guys, bro. This shit's, I'm busy, bro. Like, honestly, so busy. Drop these off at the post office. I just left the bank, bro. You know where I live if you look at that location number, but I personally don't care. Got me a little stack. My goal is to spend this within like a few days or however many days it might take. But yeah, got me a little stack. About to go now go drop off these pile of Air Forces just shipped out, the boxes. It's gonna look like it's gonna be about a 40-minute drive, but I don't mind taking it just because the area I'm going to, I do find a lot of great steals and deals. So on my way there, we might find a few deals, who knows. But I'm gonna go down there. Let's see what happens. Let's go drive this 40 minutes. It's 3:10 right now, so let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm at a Foot Locker. I went through all the stores. I did find one shoe, but here at the Foot Locker, nothing but bricks. You feel me? No heat. They got these for $44. Might be a loop. Bricks, more bricks. Alright guys, so I just got into the car. I left that Foot Locker. There's nothing. I'm gonna show you guys what I got to pick up. I got to pick up 2 pairs of shoes. Run the footage of what happened with the Air Forces. We just dropped them off at this mall right here. But I did pick up, sheesh, not a bad color shoe. It's really nice, you feel me? Ooh, it's better than any Dunk right here for sure. So we got to pick that up. Now guys, I'm not a leech. I could honestly get all of them. All I have to do is just pay $5 extra on top, get people to go in and pick up all the pairs. But I don't want people to get fired at this store. Since it's like a smaller store, can't really pull shit like this, even though I can, but I just personally don't feel like doing it. But also we got to pick up these right here. Picked up, what size is it? A 4, which really doesn't sell for much, but these been selling out left and right. And just look at the collar, it's really solid. Not a bad shoe. I'm expecting this to do like $150 to $200 within the 6 to a year months range, and have like 20 pairs of these at the house. Nothing special, but we also got to pick up a pair of a pair of Pure Money 4s. Picked these up for $110, so I just discounted it $10 for myself. Really nice, clean, has all the stars and stuff. All it needs is a proper cleaning, which the store lacked doing, honestly. Like, you can get a lot of money for it, but they didn't do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, sell it for about $200. After fees, probably gonna get like 180 or whatever, or 170. So that gives us about $60 to $70 in profit. At the end of the day, you know me, I'm not here to make profit off a lot of things. But yeah, with that being said, we're about to go to a different store, see if we can find anything. It's about 5 o'clock, so I personally don't feel like doing too much just because traffic is really hectic. I'm all the way in the south side, going to the north side. It's gonna take about another 40 minutes. So on my way there, I'm gonna stop in a few stores, see what we can find. Personally, I did find some stuff online, so I'm really excited and happy about. So with that being said, I'm about to head to the house. On our way there, we're gonna stop at a few stores, see what we can find, and then we're gonna go hoop. Man, I'm so excited to go play basketball. Now let's go ahead and get to working. Here we are at the classic DTLR. Okay, so guys, I picked up X amount of pairs. I can't really speak on it like that just because I want to protect the people that work here. So I picked up one pair, size 9. It's a really nice shoe. I'm thinking resale on this one would be at like 130 to 150. Just picked it up for fun. Like, honestly, I have cash I don't know what to do with, so rather just spend it on there and just hold on to it. That's what I love to do. And you know, there's no such thing as beautiful as passive income, and that's what I love. Second pair, we picked up these teal ones right here. It was an LP, retail for 75, picked it up for $29.99. Please right here, put how much we sold it for real quick for me, sir. Okay, yeah guys, we made a few dollars on them. I'm not hyped or anything, about to go to a different store, see what else we can find, but I'm really excited to go play basketball. But I got my mask upside down, bro. That's crazy. I got it upside down. But yeah, I'm about to go to a different store, then go hoop. Let's see what we get at the next store. Guys, pawn shops. 2 of them right here. Let's go in and see what we get. $20. Can I look at them? Just make sure they're good. Oh yeah, I'll take them for 20. I'll just need a quick cleanup. Just picked up the shoe. That's for all the people in the back. Probably sell this shoe for like $100, so $21 and some change to 100. Probably happy about it. Now I'm about to go to a different one. Let's see what we get in there. But I used to go to school down here too, bro. Crazy, bro. In the hood, cut. In the hood. I think it's that hospital. Telling you guys, we in the hood. Yo. Yo, I'm about to leave, boy. What the hell? It's not bad. It's not bad for some bread ones. Bread 11 for 90. So guys, picked up the 11s. Like, look at the condition, really nice. The bottoms are not too beat up, but it does have a little toe area issue. I think it's on this pair. Easy, like 5-second re-glue. Most people on the GOAT or whatever are asking $200. So if I could come in there and sell it for like 150, not even on GOAT or on eBay, I could sell for like 140. Probably like, look, it's a good color shoe for under $100. I can make about 50 bucks from it. Like, I'm gonna just keep it a buck and we can just keep it rolling. I don't have to explain myself too much to you guys. These are selling for over 200. Like, most people are asking 200, but sales are around the 150 or less range for shoes with no box. So I'm happy with it, man. I'm good with 40 bucks. I'm good. All I need to do is find 10 pairs of shoes a day at $40. We straight. No, I'm playing. But now let's go to a DTLR, see what they have. All right. We in this house, yes sir.
In 1 mile, turn left onto South Market Street.
parking lot is full. Ah, shit, it's gonna be a good game. Let's go. You shoot like this. I would say don't. That's how you shoot. Hey, that bitch still went in. Huh? Oh! Ah, let's go! That's 3. Like, look, this is how you shoot.